Let's get fucking Tom Stefan paid. Come on, CG-verse. Let's get everybody fucking on giant. Like, he doesn't do small shit. You want a fucking character? Your character's gonna be 7 or 8 feet tall. You're gonna 10 grand is where you're gonna start. But fucking real life pit in a fucking chunk of wood. Oh, I'm getting it. I'm gonna be the first man to get a fucking statue of fucking pit made out of fucking wood. I promise. Hail to ballers. Hail Dale Keown. Hail Warts and Wizards. Hail Tom Stefan's art. Or Tom Stefan carvings. Hails to it all. We gotta hails it while we can. Might not be able to do a hails tomorrow. Get that hails out. Remember, 2 in the stink, 1 in the pink, 1 to tickle the asshole. Hail Tom Stefan. You are the fucking bomb. Knuckle up, brother. Love you. Good night.